Imagine walking into your kitchen and snipping fresh basil, mint, or thyme whenever you need it. No dirt on your hands, no battling pests, and no worrying about seasons. Hydroponics makes this possible. It's not just a hobby for high-tech farms. It's a method anyone can use to grow fresh, healthy herbs right at home. In this video, we'll explore the world of hydroponic herbs, what hydroponics is, why it works so well, and how you can set up your own effortless system. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge to grow lush, flavorful herbs year-round, without soil, without stress. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using a nutrient-rich water solution instead. While soil provides nutrients naturally, hydroponics allows you to control exactly what your plants absorb. This precision results in faster growth, healthier plants, and often higher yields than traditional gardening. Historically, hydroponics isn't new. The hanging gardens of Babylon may have used similar methods, and scientists have been experimenting with nutrient solutions for centuries. Today, modern hydroponics combines ancient wisdom with cutting-edge technology, creating systems that are both efficient and surprisingly simple. You might wonder, why go hydroponic? There are several compelling reasons. Freshness year-round, hydroponics allows you to grow herbs indoors, meaning you can harvest in the middle of winter or during a heat wave. No soil, no mess. Herbs are grown in water or inert mediums like clay pellets, reducing cleanup and soil-borne diseases. Faster growth. Plants get direct access to nutrients, often growing 30 to 50% faster than soil-grown herbs. Space efficiency. Vertical towers, small tanks, and countertop setups allow even apartment dwellers to grow herbs. Pest control. Without soil, pests like fungus gnats are much less likely to invade your plants. By the end of this video, you'll see that growing your own hydroponic herbs is less intimidating than it seems. Not all herbs are equally suited for hydroponic growth. Some thrive more than others. Here are the best options. Basil, fast-growing, aromatic, and ideal for beginners. Mint thrives in water. Be cautious as it can spread aggressively in soil but is contained in hydroponics. Thyme, slower growing but highly flavorful. Cilantro, sensitive to temperature but grows well with careful light management. Parsley, perfect for nutrient-rich water solutions. Keeps growing after multiple harvests. When choosing herbs, consider growth speed, flavor intensity, and how often you plan to harvest. Combining fast-growing herbs with slow-growing ones ensures you always have. Hydroponics isn't a single method. It's a variety of systems. Let's explore the most popular ones for home herb gardening. Nutrient film technique, NFT. A thin stream of nutrient solution flows over the roots. Herbs like basil and mint thrive in NFT because the roots get continuous oxygen and nutrients. Deep water culture, DWC. Plants are suspended over a tank of nutrient-rich water. Air pumps provide oxygen directly to the roots. Fast-growing herbs do extremely well here. Wicking systems. Capillary action draws nutrients from a reservoir into the growing medium. Simple and passive. Perfect for beginners. Ebb and flow. Flood and drain. The grow tray floods with nutrient solution, then drains back into the reservoir. This mimics natural irrigation and works well for larger herbs or mixed plant setups. Each system has advantages and limitations. But the key takeaway is that all provide consistent water and nutrients without soil, creating faster, healthier growth. Now that we understand systems, let's walk through setting up your own garden at home. Here's a step-by-step approach. Choose your location. Herbs need 12 to 16 hours of light daily. A sunny windowsill works, or you can use LED grow lights. Select your system. DWC or a small NFT setup works best for beginners. Ensure your reservoir can hold enough water for 1 to 2 weeks. Prepare the nutrient solution. Use hydroponic fertilizer specifically formulated for leafy herbs. Follow instructions carefully. Choose your growing medium. Clay pellets, rock wool, or coconut coir all support roots without adding soil. Plant your herbs. Start from cuttings or seedlings. Ensure roots are submerged in nutrient solution but not stressed. Maintain the system. Check pH levels, 5.5 to 6.5 for most herbs. Top off water and monitor nutrient concentration weekly. With proper setup and care, your herbs can grow faster than you ever imagined, producing fresh leaves daily for your meals. Even hydroponics isn't magic. Issues can arise. Here's how to handle the most common challenges. Yellow leaves. Usually a nutrient imbalance. Check solution concentration and pH. Slow growth. Insufficient light is the main culprit. Increase light hours or intensity. Root rot, caused by stagnant water. Make sure aeration is sufficient in your DWC system. Algae growth. Cover your reservoir to block light and reduce algae development. By understanding these challenges, you can troubleshoot effectively and ensure your herbs remain healthy and productive. One of the best parts of hydroponics is the harvest. Unlike soil-grown herbs, you can clip small amounts at a time without disturbing the plant. Some tips. Snip from the top to encourage bushier growth. Harvest in the morning when flavor is most intense. Rotate harvests to allow new growth. Fresh herbs elevate meals, drinks, and even teas. Hydroponics gives you unlimited access to them all year round with minimal effort. Hydroponic herbs are more than just a gardening trend. They're a revolution for anyone who loves fresh, healthy food. They save space, reduce waste, and offer constant access to flavor and nutrition. With the right system, a little knowledge, and consistent care, you can grow an herb garden that thrives effortlessly, indoors or out. Start small, experiment, and enjoy the process. Within weeks, you'll be snipping fresh basil for pasta, mint for tea, and thyme for every savory dish, all grown effortlessly at home. Which herb will you grow first in your hydroponic garden? Comment below and share your plans. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on effortless indoor gardening and hydroponic techniques.